Hello everyone! Welcome to today's video. You can watch this on either Zen Variety on YouTube and BitChute, or if you're on Rumble, you can see this on Sotarn Mix. Now let us begin today's topic. Game back on. GameStop stock rebounds as SEC warns against market manipulation. And of course this was updated several hours ago at 4:32 p.m. Eastern Time. Let us begin. The GameStop stock market roller coaster continued Friday as the video game retailer shares shot up. The online broker Robinhood struggled for cash and securities. Regulators issued a stern warning for anyone trying to game the market. Now the thing is, Robinhood hasn't been all honest. I'm not an investor myself, but they've been trying to block the little guys such as you, me, and ordinary people from trying to invest in these stocks, so the hedge funders who short sell these stocks and all this stuff can fill their pockets with tons of cash while we, the common folk, suffer because these rich billionaires got corrupt politicians to fund. But regardless, let us continue. Catapulted by seemingly unrelenting enthusiasm on Reddit, GameStop stock soared nearly 68%. On Thursday, it had plunged 44%. That happened after Robinhood, an online trading forum, restricted trades on GameStop, AMC, Entertainment, and other stocks that have been driven up by amateur day traders on Reddit's r/Wall Street Bets community, which now has 6 million members. Well, the thing is, these Redditors were just doing what us ordinary people would do. Research the market, see what stocks are currently low, purchase them, and then drive up the market by encouraging more people to invest. There is nothing wrong with that. What is wrong is Webull and Robinhood have been trying to keep us, the common folks, from investing our money. Yet, like I said again, I'm not an investor myself because right now I don't have the time because I'm unemployed and I'm basically living off of money that I had saved up via scholarships and such. So it's gonna be hard to invest until I can get out of trade school and start making money. Then I can probably jump into this bandwagon of investing my money. In recent days, the frenzy has put enormous pressure on Robinhood and other brokerages that have been attempting to keep up. Thing is, shutting down the market and restricting trade is the worst way to go because, seriously, these corrupt billionaires who would rather enrich themselves than their political allies care nothing about us. Regardless of what political aisle you lean on, let me get this straight. The billionaires in the political class hate us. They literally hate our guts because they want to push for a socialist country. But let's keep on topic here and continue to talk about this. Here you can see GameStop stock's volatile journey, on January 3rd through the 10th. It was pretty average. It was rising a bit, steady on the 17th, rise a bit more, soared on the 24th, took a dip down due to the Robinhood, Webull, and other trading apps that have been restricting trade, trying to block the average Joe from investing, and now it's starting to soar back up, and that's just GameStop. Like, I think I remember earlier today on a video that I saw on YouTube from the Quartering that apparently Doge Fund is now trending, and that's just merely a meme that features a Shiba Inu, and the whole, like, in that cryptocurrency is basically yet again based on a meme. So if you have the money to invest regardless of your age, check that out. Because this is literally how this second civil war or this revolution is playing out right now. So go ahead, invest. Stick it to the man and woman that you basically have the right to invest, and no one should limit your investing, because last time I checked, this is a free market and we don't like the establishment messing with us. Now let us continue. Robinhood was forced to quickly raise more than $1 billion from its own investors and tapped its bank credit line so it could have enough money to post cash with market clearinghouses amid a high volume of trading. Those clearinghouses, which settle trades, need the brokerages ultimately to have the cash to be good for those trades. Critics of Robinhood accuse the brokerage firm of playing favorites Thursday by limiting trading in GameStop, AMC, and other stocks that have been driven up sharply by Reddit members. The Wall Street Bets traders have been battling Wall Street hedge funds that are short-selling GameStop in a so far unsuccessful bet that the company's shares will plummet. Now, GameStop was doing poorly due to, yet again, this pandemic, the Kung Flu, that's been going around, infecting people, mutating, and stuff like that. And of course, government tyranny has also been hurting the economy. Let us resume. Kana, Democratic California. Its district includes Silicon Valley. Of course, those that want to limit free speech and limit the free market too while they're at it, said Robinhood's move showed how the cards are stacked against the little guy in favor of billionaire Wall Street traders. Now, that is true. Like, lately in the news, it's been sort of bipartisan in this regard towards the free market, surprisingly, except for Elizabeth Warren, who is funded by these corrupt hedge funds and all that stuff. So, yet again, this is mainly financial, but unfortunately, politics does get intertwined here. If anyone is against the common person from investing in the free market, whether they be Republican or Democrat, vote them out, primary against them once it comes time to run, and prove to people in this country that we, the ordinary folks, will not be manipulated by crony capitalists who masquerade as politicians and billionaires. Because if I was a billionaire, I would be pretty much not only investing my money, but I would also be trying to help rebuild this economy and the country instead of destroying it and funding corrupt politicians. But I digress. A member of Reddit's Wall Street Bets forum wrote, "They are simultaneously manipulating the system, taking advantage of people with less funds preventing a greater number of shares from being purchased. But Robinhood said the move to limit trading was a tough decision, made amid extraordinary circumstances in the market. You can't be serious! So they're basically admitting that, yes, we care about the billionaires. Screw the little guy. Let the poor eat their cake. Like, seriously. They don't care about you and me. They would rather see us go into poverty for all they care, because they want to promote this socialist agenda because they know that they'll be protected.
We stand in support of you, our customers,
Robinhood co-founder Vlad Tenev tweeted.
Democratizing finance for all means giving more people access, not less.
Like, seriously. How dumb is this guy? Like, it's ironic, though, if you think about it. Robinhood was a vigilante who stole from the rich and gave to the poor, but here it's in reverse. It's blocking the poor from getting money and giving that money to the rich. Like, I have nothing against rich people. Like, being rich means you can do more to help the lives of others. Like, get people out of poverty, offer them jobs, train them, and strengthen the economy altogether. Not fund corrupt politicians and Chinese spies who would rather see this country blown apart as people are at each other's throats due to Marxist Agenda 1984. In a company blog post, Robinhood noted that it has many financial requirements, including SEC, net capital obligations, and clearinghouse deposits. These requirements exist to protect investors in the markets, and we take our responsibilities to comply with them seriously. In other words, what they're basically saying here, screw you, and yay, let's support our billionaire overlords who fund corrupt swamp politicians who want to take advantage of us. And this applies to both sides. Robinhood has subsequently moved to allow limited buys of the stocks that helped explain Friday's rebound in GameStop, which is up more than 1,600% in the past month, even though the company has had to shut hundreds of stores amid the pandemic and falling mall traffic. AMC jumped 54% Friday, though another Reddit favorite, American Airlines, dropped 5% after jumping 9% a day earlier. Well, the thing is, like people are taking advantage of what they're seeing. Like, if they see stocks are dirt cheap, who else wouldn't want to buy these stocks and improve their financial situation? As Americans, we have that freedom, unless the government wants to control us like puppets, because they're also part of this hedge fund scheme. Yet again, politicians are just a bunch of stupid nitwits who shouldn't be pocketing all that money and spending it frivolously. Because seriously, like, do they really need those millions of dollars in order to fund themselves while getting that through these hedge funds? I don't think so. And even if they do have these millions of dollars and they claim to be socialists, like, they only care about themselves in the end. The GameStop frenzy has also pressured other brokerages in a message to clients. Charles Schwab said it heightened trading volume and volatility across our entire industry and challenges with online functionality at times. Just before markets opened Friday morning, the Securities and Exchange Commission said it continues to closely monitor the extreme price volatility of certain stocks trading prices over the past several days. The SEC also issued a warning. We will act to protect retail investors when the facts demonstrate abusive or manipulative trading activity that is prohibited by the federal securities laws. Market participants should be careful to avoid such activity. And yet again, that statement should apply to these trading companies who have apps such as Webull and Robinhood and anyone else involved, that they should let us, the ordinary people, invest in stocks that are dirt cheap, so we can actually stand a fighting chance to actually better our lives and afford to put our children in schools and invest in other ventures. Because this is a free country and we can't let these corrupt billionaire communists tell us what to do. It's time to fight back, America. Hurt them where it counts, and that is their wallet. Thank you for watching tonight. Be sure to, yet again, check this out on YouTube, BitChute, and Rumble. And if you liked this video, please like, share, subscribe, and give this video a good rumble if you're watching this on my Rumble channel. Thank you again. God bless and goodbye.